Hello everyone, welcome to my YD channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a quick note on your Apple Watch by scribbling or by voice. So open a link given in the description. It will direct you to the App Store and that app is called as Bear. You can also directly install it by searching in App Store. So here is App Store. Here you can see Bear. If you click on this, you will click on get option here. So it will start installing the Bear app on your Apple Watch. This app is compatible by iPhone and by Apple Watch. If you take the quick note on this Apple Watch, it will automatically sync to your iPhone also. Click on open. So here you can see my notes which I have taken. So click on new note. You can scribble the text or you can also type, or you can also tell by voice. So I'm going to create a new note. Hi. So here you can see new note is added. So you can also delete this note by tapping on that note and then clicking by trash. So this way you can easily take a quick note on your Apple Watch by scribbling or by your voice. This is the new watch face known as Unity Lights, and the Apple released yesterday in India.